Hello everyone. I got this fine opportunity to present our project in front of you. So let's start with a matter of fact. The trending demand of alternative sources of energy is required to the growing demands of the people. This can be achieved in two ways. The first one is finding an alternative resource to supply the power, and the second by reducing the energy consumption of the present resources available. This project hereby supports the second statement. This is basically a study and implementation of streets with controlled lighting based on microcontroller. The new and innovative thing we have done here is that the illumination of the roads is done by power LEDs instead of the conventional halogen lamps. So the sole purpose of this project is to reduce the power consumption across a street. This kind of project is mainly appropriate in urban cities where most of the power is wasted in lighting up the streets when there is minimum traffic flow during late night. Now let's head on to the internal circuitry of the project. First one being the most significant, that is microcontroller. The microcontroller is the heart of the circuit. The one which is used in this project is Atmega 32 development board. The port B pins are used as input pins from the LM324, whereas port D pins are used as output pins for the power LEDs. The port A channel has been used for LDR sensor. The power source of the microcontroller is provided by the laptop through USB cable, though it can be externally provided by another DC source of 5 volt. Now we move on to the sensor part, that is IR transmitter receiver pair. The IR transmitter receiver module that is implemented in the model has a range of 10 cm. The purpose of the IR pair is to sense the vehicles and correspondingly light the required power LEDs. Though in a practical implementation, IR sensors must have a sufficient range to detect vehicles. The second most important part is LDR circuit. The property of the LDR is used in the project to distinguish between day and night. As the intensity of the light comes down during night, the resistance thereby increases, thus indicating it by switching off the indication LED. Now let's understand the role of LM324. It is an integrated chip as shown in the video, which consists of quad op-amp, that is 4 op-amps, which acts as comparator for the inputs on the inverting and non-inverting terminals. The basic purpose of LM324 is to convert the analog value of output of IR sensors to a digital form, that is 0 volt or 5 volt, which can be detected by the input-output pins of microcontroller. Now let's put some light on the source of real light, that is power LEDs. The main objective of using power LEDs is to illuminate with minimum resources and less power consuming elements. A reflector along with the power LED can illuminate an enough amount of space if a proper voltage level is given to the LEDs. The terminals of the power LEDs are connected to the common ground and the port D pins of the microcontroller. Just for some information, these power LEDs is rated at 2.5 volt and 300 milliamperes. Now I'll explain you the entire operation of this project. The lights are at off state when there is a sufficient daylight. Now what happens when it gets dark? The LED sensor senses the intensity of light and activates the power LEDs. On a proper road at night time, the result of this project can be divided in two cases. The first one being when there is no traffic flow across the street, and second one when there is a sensible amount of traffic flow at night. Case 1. When an IR pair does not sense the vehicle. In this case, when there is no traffic flow across the street, the sensor does not detect any vehicle and hence the output voltage of the sensor is higher than the reference voltage. The special attribute here is that when there is no object detected, the power LEDs will glow at very less value than its rated requirement. This is achieved by setting the port D pins a PWM signal. The voltage level can be set by varying the duty cycle of the PWM signals. The duty cycle chosen in this regard is 5%. And the second case is when an IR pair senses the vehicle. In this case, the sensor detects the object and generates an analog output which is sent to the inverting terminal of the op-amp LM324. The port D pins which are connected to the power LEDs is set high in order to glow them at rated value. Now let us conclude by pointing out some advantages. The significant advantages of this system is that the idea of this project can be implemented in a large scale in many big cities where most of the street lights are consuming useful power. It is a step forward to allot the power generated in a much better and systematic fashion across the roads. In this endeavor, a nation can prosper with its energy efficiency and proper allotment to the required loads. Unlike the demo shown, the system is applicable for many vehicles. This is a sincere effort in managing the traffic flow at night and reducing the amount of energy wasted in this procedure. Meticulous attention has been taken for the vehicle owners and their safety also. Sincere thanks to the guide of this project, Dr. Maikanda Sivam sir, and Program Manager of EEE, Professor Vijay Kumar T sir. A special thanks to Anshuman Bhattacharjee, who was always there to provide his full support. Thank you.